When you install Monkey Tools, you get a new Monkey Tools tab on your Excel ribbon. At the time of recording this video, it looked approximately like this, broken onto 2 lines. Now, the reason I say approximately is because we're constantly releasing new features, so sometimes there'll be a new button that shows up that you didn't really expect, which is pretty cool because that means new cool stuff that we can do. When you look at this ribbon though, it's important to understand that it's actually broken into 2 main components. The first is what we call convenience features. These are default Excel functionality and buttons that we have taken from other ribbon tabs to put on the Monkey Tools tab. The main purpose here is trying to bring important controls closer together so you have to do less tab flipping when you're trying to get your job done. It just eliminates a little bit of that click work drudgery. The rest of the features are Monkey Tools specific features that we've worked really hard on to build things that will help you build faster, better models or audit the ones that you have. Within these categories here, they're broken into 2 subsets, our monkeys and our sleuths. So what are these? Well, the sleuths investigate your workbook. Things like Query Sleuth and Time Sleuth and DAX Sleuth all look inside the workbook to understand what's going on and allow you to make decisions and occasionally take actions based on what it finds. Conversely, the monkeys, they're all about doing things. So if you go under the Query Monkeys menu, you're going to find some great commands to create new queries. Under the Measure Monkeys menu, some great commands to build new measures. So that's the general gist of how we break things up and what you'll see once the Monkey Tools ribbon is properly installed inside your computer. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.